Bam! PyCharm's installed. Step 1. Pull the pie out of the oven. Step 2. Become one with the pie. Now the program. Step 3. Open your browser. Step 4. Search for PyCharm. Click Download PyCharm. Download the community version. Open the PyCharm installer. Click Yes. Yes. Click Next. Choose your installation path. Click Next. Create a shortcut. Add bin folder to the path. Click Next. Click Install.
Waiting.
Click Finish so you can see more cream pie action. Yes. Launch PyCharm like I launched this pie into my face. Click Continue. Don't send because we don't care. Don't send because we like our privacy. Bam! 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 PyCharm's installed. It didn't explode like this pie all over my face.